What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we're going to be going to a stock sale. I've already filmed all this in the past. This is like months and months ahead in the future from filming that. It's a weird way to say it, but I said it. Yeah, so we're going to be going to a stock sale. We got an animal at this stock sale. I'm not going to say what it is yet. There's not a lot of talking in this video and not a lot of footage of what was happening there because there was a lot of people. It's just, you know, some places you feel odd filming or you don't know what they're going to say or do. So I had to kind of be careful because I'd never been there before. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't put none of the... I got a lot of videos to put out, but I haven't really got the chance to put out any videos because of the fact that I just don't have a lot of time and I need a lot of time to edit these videos for y'all. So the next two videos, like this video and the next one's probably going to be pretty short, but be expecting some better videos coming. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Really, Dad? I know the big one ain't, but that little one looks like it.
Red bowl, right?
Doves or fish in the morning. There's my turkey. I may end up getting 8 roosters. I don't know. That depends on the price. I can't just buy one. I have to buy them all 8 because they're all together. Excuse the noise in the background. I'm recording outside, but there was a lot of animals that we were interested in buying, but it just didn't work out that way. But we did get something, so let's go ahead and skip to that footage now. Well, guys, we're back here at the house after the stock sale. I didn't film a whole lot of the bidding and stuff, but I did want to mention this. We got something, and it's 4 of them, and they're babies. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you and tell you the genders of them. Tell you the gender of the animals that we got at the stock sale. So we got 4 baby pigs, and 3 of them I believe are boars, and then 1 of them is a sow. Yeah, 2 of them, 2 of the boars are going to end up being cut, I believe. And then the other one we're going to save for a breeder. And then we're going to have a sow also, too, to raise up. So yeah, there they are. They're so little, but they chunky. They've spilt their food out already and got everything dirty. And they ain't been home but a few hours. But yeah, that's the new animals. I know it's a short video, guys, but it was a good video. I'd never been to a stock sale. I liked it. Kind of want to go back. I almost got a turkey. There was some people that come by and see there was 3 turkeys that came in with a peacock. And the best turkey there was a bourbon red, and it was a tom. tail feathers on all the turkeys look a little rough, but that ain't nothing that you can't. You can help those turkeys out, and they'll grow the feathers better if you just take care of them real good. But other than that, they didn't look sick or anything. But I almost bought one, but a group of people came by and bought 2 of the turkeys. Well, the last turkey I went to buy it, or asked the guy how much he wanted for it. He said that he just got it registered, so I couldn't buy it off of him unless I was in the auction bidding on it. So maybe next time we'll go down there, if we go down there again, and maybe get us a turkey. Let me know if y'all would like to see that in the comments below. I gotta go up here and take care of these chickens. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.